subscribe.
Hey, and thanks for checking out my newest video. We are going to the newest attraction, which it's not really all that new, but Minions Land has continued to develop, and here they have brought in the villains, like Vector, that you can meet, and check out his fancy velour outfit. He was a pretty funny guy. I had to know though, what are we gonna steal today, Vector? And his answer was a little surprising. Villain Con has a really awesome queue. And even though it's a new ride, well, slash attraction, you're not actually riding, unless you call riding on a conveyor belt a ride, then yeah, I guess it's a ride. But the line has been super short for this the last few times that I have gone. They have a really fun queue. You're supposed to be like at a Villain Con, so there's a bunch of villain stuff to look at, so make sure that you take the time to actually look around. They have some fun stuff in there. So basically in this video, I'm going to take you along on the conveyor belt as we go through and do the, I would say if you are of a certain age, this is like a duck hunt kind of game, but with villains. So let's check it out. And let me know in the comments if you did this attraction and what you thought. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews.
Really?
Like it extends your arm a little longer. Thank you.
Please take the first available last.
Well, there you have it. What did you think? Is this an attraction you would like? Share down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.
Sometimes I feel like I'm living in a dream.